Magandang araw mga ka-good news. Naku, meron na namang pasabog na balita dito tungkol kay BP Sara at sa dating undersecretary ng DepEd. Ito si Mercado ay inimbestigahan ngayon at iniimbita sa Senado at ito ang kanyang mga eksposisyon na nakakagulat ating panoorin.
At least, Mr. Chair, I would know the Vice President is watching us because she just had a press conference and she said that she's denying giving former DepEd Undersecretary Gloria Mercado 50,000 for 9 months. And the Vice President saying that Mercado was let go because she used DepEd to solicit donations from the private sector amounting to 16 million without her knowledge. And she adds that she will provide the media with paper trail to back up her claim, describing Mercado as a disgruntled former DepEd official. I think, ma'am, given your long history and long service to the Republic, 40 long years, I think it's fair
It's
for you
very
to be
sad.
given the opportunity to reply to the Vice President.
I think I don't want to do this, but since siya na yung nagsabi, i-turn over ko na yung envelope. The envelopes where the money was.
Grabe no, talagang hindi niya ginamit yung binigay ni BP Sara na sabihin natin na red tape tip sa kanya. Ito yung mga sobre na merong 50,000 pesos na laman buwan-buwan at 9 months ito na ibinigay sa kanya. Hindi niya alam kung ano ang dahilan bakit siya binibigyan, pero hindi niya ginastos at itinabi niya, inilagay niya sa pouch. Kaya ito, kumpletong-kumpleto, isusuli niya. Kasi sinisiraan siya ni BP Sara na may ginamit daw siya na 16 million pesos. Kaya ito ang buwelta ni Mercado, dating undersecretary ng DepEd.
Comsec,
So
Paki-
it's 9 envelopes.
kuha po yung
So
envelope.
it says hope and the amount is there. Kasi ang sakit naman nun, ordinaryo lang akong trabahante tapos inano ka ng Vice President, di ba? It's very painful.
Ma'am, ilang taon na po kayo? I hope you don't mind. Gusto ko lang pong malaman kasi sabi po ninyo 40 years na po kayo in government.
I'm 65, sir, but
So when when you were appointed as USEC, noong 2022 ba? 2022? How old were you at
I
that
was 64.
time? 64.
Yeah.
I'm sure sa edad ninyong yan, after pagkatapos nyo pong pag-ingatan yung iyong pangalan for the past 40 years?
Sagutin ko yun. Yes, sir.
So, okay, anyway,
Sir,
Mr. Chairman,
I'd like to...
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, dito po ako.
ay,
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair, can I continue first?
Congressman, wait, before I recognize Congressman Paduano, ma'am, yes.
So to reiterate, Mr. Chair, USEC, first, this was a sanctioned DepEd project.
It's a DepEd project.
Second,
yes.
you did not do the solicitation yourself.
It
This
was managed by the
managed by
external
the External
partnership.
Partnerships Office. Third, no cash donation was ever
So
made.
equipments.
Equipment was given to the department. So none of this, of what allegations that the Vice President is making against you is true.
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nako, napakalaking pagkakamali pala ni BP Sara dito kasi pinagbintangan niya na gumastos ng 16 million itong Undersecretary Mercado. At ang project pala na yun ay libre ng dalawang kumpanya na external binigay lang sa DepEd. Yun ay isang project. Ngayon, bumuwelta si Mercado at eto, pinakita niya mismo dito na merong ibinigay na pera si Mercado. Ito ay emegdad si BP Sara ay merong ibinigay na parang bribery sa kanya. Ayan no. Yan ay 9 or 9 envelopes na merong laman na 50,000 each. Kaya dito unti-unting lumilitaw ang kulay ni VP Sara at papunta na yata ito sa impeachment. Ano ang inyong mga saloobin, mga ka-good news? Comment nyo na lang sa ating comment section. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa ating channel para sa karagdagang update. Ako'y magpaalam na. Ingat kayong lahat.